Hello, beloved viewers. It's just gone, hold on, 10 to 6 on a Thursday night, and I'm in a much better place. The reason I'm in a much better headspace is we've had, put it this way, Department of Housing, they're there to house people. They don't have people skills and they don't know how to deal with conflict. So I have, the way they've treated me, referred the matter to the Ombudsman, and I have nominated an advocate, so I never have to deal with the Department of Housing again. So I share this stuff with you because YouTube, not only do I educate, entertain, I like to be authentic and tell you what's going on in my life so you can learn from my mistakes. And this is the lesson from my era. If you start to lose it, and you're starting to get anxious and you're starting to get stressed out with a body, an authority body, find an advocate who will work on your behalf so you never have to deal with that stress again. So I'm in a really good mood. So let's see, because I'm in such a good mood, what I attract tonight. But I just wanted to share something with you. I spoke to my son on the phone, and he said that this week everyone at work had been behaving weirdly, like we're grumpy, tired. So I'm just wondering whether the big full moon we had affected everybody, including the Department of Housing, and that's why I got treated like I did. Now, I don't mean to be venting about that. This is supposed to be my paranormal video, but I just wanted to give you an update on how I'm feeling. I'm feeling great. So you can see this is a little bit blurry because I think they're already waiting for me. So I'm about to turn off, as I normally do, the light. There we go. Turn the flashlight on. I've just got to find where I put my torch. And we have orbs. What I like about these orbs, thank you beloved, is that they are loving. Look how they're coming into the bathroom. Oh, there's the biggest orb of all, my dog. See? She's not affected by these orbs. So they're not insects, guys. Otherwise, she would be, There's the motion detector. I'm still in the bathroom. Still looking at orb. Wow! These orbs represent for me, you might see better paranormal videos, but these orbs for me represent my husband's spirit. And I'd like to chase another one. Hello, beloved. Let's go up a bit. Let's see if they go up. So I've got the phone holding it a bit higher. The motion detector's over there. I'll go towards it a little bit. I'm not far. Hello, beloved. Can you send an orb this way? These are big, big orbs. Can you turn the motion detector on? Look at the orbs just flying. They fly, they're attracted to me because I'm a psychic medium, I believe. I've stepped a little bit closer. Hello, beloved. Beloved stands for all that I have lost. But the motion detector faces my husband's urn of ashes. Hello, beloved. Can you turn it on? If we don't get it, that doesn't matter. I'll go a little bit closer again. Hello, beloved. I'm going to go into the kitchen. My dog is following me. You can see there's nobody else here. Motion detector's still not on, but look how clear that is. There's orbs coming from there, going there. Can you turn the motion detector on? The light in front of your ashes. Please? Oh, just look. Let's just follow these orbs anyway. We might, look. I'm going to chase one. If one comes towards me, I will chase it. Yeah, they're hard to. Hello, beloved. I'll go a little bit closer. Hello, beloved. Can you turn the motion detector on for us? That's awfully clear. I don't think he's there. Hello? Darling. No. Let's go wandering around. Just to show you, I'm going to sit over my favourite seat. Motion detector's way over there in the dark. My dog's following me. See, if these were frightening her, she would be worried. But look, there's nothing. I'd like one to appear in front of the yeah, so it was full moon about a week ago. It's very dark over there. Oh, did you see that? It was raining orbs. Up. Flash is disabled. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. Love you. Good night. And I'll do another paranormal tomorrow. Have a really good night. Love yous.